Why are some people magnets for success while others struggle endlessly? The secret is not in chasing it. The secret is in attracting it. The first time I heard Jim Rohn say, success is not to be pursued. Success is to be attracted by who you become. I didn't understand it, but something changed when I started developing myself. I noticed I was receiving offers I never applied for. Opportunities found me. Then it clicked. The more you develop yourself, the more success chases you. That is why I wrote this book, Rich, Young, and African, a practical guide for transforming yourself into a magnet for success. In this book, I will show you how to discover and monetize your unique skills, how to budget, save, and invest, and most importantly, how to protect your wealth for future generations. Grab your copy today at Amazon or Seller. Coming soon to Roving Heights and Laterna.